morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 15-minute chart of the ES. This is the chart we've been using for a while. Let me back this out a little bit, talk about what happened this morning and Friday and what we can look ahead to for the rest of the week. We talked about double bottom last week. 1783 was support. Bears really need to push things here, or they risk a double bottom at 1783. Great job, Bears. Set that up, set yourselves up perfectly there. And that was after a series of lower highs. They really could have knocked it down. So they didn't get it done. We did the walk up into jobs, reaction low off of jobs, 86. Then we broke back over the middle band, which at the time was 91. And after making these highs up at 1804, we come back and establish a higher low at 1796, and then we're off to the races. So at this point, we should do not only new highs, but we should continue to grind up towards the upper band, which is up in the 1718 to 1720 area. Does that mean we go straight up there from here? That's a little bit doubtful. I think we're going to continue to stair step up. If we get any kind of a pullback today, as we make new highs at 1809.5, I'm looking at 1801, which is the top of that original. It was a support zone. Then it was a resistance zone for us. Now it's a support zone again. Alternatively, back at the 1796 where this higher low is established, if you get support and a bounce at either one of those levels, those are areas where you can get long. Alternatively, middle band is down here at 1793. But at this point, you really have to understand, we are 16 handles above the middle band. We had a battle over the middle band, and the bulls won. Just like they win most of these battles over the middle band, over the course of time. Let's look at the daily chart. This is what I told my subscribers and what I alluded to when I did the evening webcast Friday night. Here's the upper band. It's up at 1816.32. It's going to expand if we continue to go higher. Very similarly to where right here, this is November the 8th, when we went back over the middle band. We chopped in a downward fashion for 2 days, went back, tested middle band, and then we went up and went through the upper band. So be aware of that scenario. We could glide down a little bit, let middle band reach price, and then go from there. So just be aware. I don't think we're going to go straight up. We could. The Bears have definitely blown it enough to do that. There are enough people getting squeezed out here every minute. And don't fall into the trap that's happened so many times during the course of this uptrend, which is right after the Bears drop the ball in pushing the market lower, the shorts come right back in after a day and start to get short and early and get themselves into a ton of trouble and end up putting on, all these contracts. And then, by the time it gets to the point where it really does want to reverse, you're out of ammo, you're out of sleepless nights, you're out of all that, and you dump it, and then we go down, and there's no worse feeling than that. So I think that your bias here needs to be buying dips. We've come through the middle band. It's been established as support. We're running away a little bit this morning. I certainly don't think that we should all run out and grab the 1809 as it heads higher. But I can only tell you what I'm going to be doing today, and what I'm going to be doing today is looking for a morning dip to go ahead and buy for a grind higher during the day. And so I'll have charts and everything during the day. Please follow me on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Got a lot of people starting, getting a lot of positive feedback. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to have you come trade with us. So come take a 2-week free trial. And we'll have charts throughout the day. I want to get some gold charts up. I want to get some oil charts up, the mini. And I will be back tonight with an evening webcast. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another pre-market webcast. Trading well, everybody, and have a great day.